Welcome to Financial Freedom TV, where we empower you with the knowledge to make informed financial decisions. In today's episode, we're going to embark on a journey that unfolds the story of an extraordinary technology that has the potential to revolutionize the way we perceive finance. Today's topic is Ethereum, a blockchain-based platform that is gradually transforming the global financial landscape. As a platform that is decentralized and borderless, Ethereum is more than just a digital currency. It's a software platform based on blockchain technology that enables developers to build and deploy smart contracts and decentralized applications, popularly known as dApps. These dApps have the potential to completely eradicate the need for a third-party intermediary in various sectors, eliminating the risk of fraud, downtime, and control. Ethereum utilizes a technology that is robust, secure, and transparent, offering a multitude of benefits that traditional financial systems fail to provide. It's a platform that's controlled by any government or corporation. Instead, it's powered by thousands of computers globally, known as nodes, which work together to validate transactions, thereby maintaining the integrity and security of the Ethereum network. Investing in Ethereum doesn't merely mean buying a digital currency. It means investing in a technology that has the potential to reshape the world. It means investing in the future of decentralized finance, the future of internet privacy, and the future of social systems. When you invest in Ethereum, you're essentially betting on the potential of a technology that's set to disrupt several industries. From finance to real estate, from healthcare to supply chain, Ethereum's smart contracts and dApps have the potential to revolutionize these sectors, making processes more efficient, transparent, and secure. Ethereum's blockchain is a platform for innovation. Its hub hosts a multitude of projects across various sectors. From finance to gaming, from insurance to logistics, Ethereum is enabling a new generation of decentralized applications that have the potential to disrupt the status quo and create a more balanced and equitable internet. Understanding Ethereum is not just about understanding a digital currency, it's about understanding the power of a decentralized platform that can change the way we conduct business, the way we govern systems, and the way we transfer value. It's about understanding the potential of a technology that can democratize access to financial services, eliminate intermediaries, and create a more secure, transparent, and fair financial system. As we dive deeper into the world of Ethereum, we will explore how this platform works, why it's unique, and why it's considered one of the most promising technologies in the modern era. We will discuss its potential to disrupt traditional systems, its use cases across different sectors, and how you can benefit from investing in this technology. Ethereum's potential is immense, and its influence is only set to grow as more and more people begin to understand and adopt this revolutionary technology. With Ethereum, the future of finance is not just a concept. It's a reality that's already unfolding. So if you're seeking to understand the ins and outs of Ethereum, to grasp its potential, and to discover how it could be a valuable addition to your investment portfolio, you couldn't have chosen a better place. This is Financial Freedom TV, your guide to a future of decentralized finance, your compass in a world where the rules of finance are being rewritten by technologies like Ethereum. Ethereum is more than just a cryptocurrency, it's a decentralized platform that enables smart contracts and decentralized applications, dApps, to be built and run without any downtime, fraud, control, or interference from a third party. Investing in Ethereum means you're not just buying a digital currency, you're investing in the potential of decentralized technology. Ethereum's blockchain is a hub for innovation, hosting a multitude of projects from finance to gaming. Scene script A. First, you'll need to select a platform to purchase Ethereum. Look for exchanges with strong security measures and a good reputation. B. Sign up with your chosen exchange, providing any necessary personal information and documents for verification. C. You can fund your account using various methods such as bank transfer, credit card, or even other cryptocurrencies. D. Once your account is funded, you can buy Ethereum by placing an order. You can opt for a market order for an instant purchase or a limit order to set your own price. E. Consider transferring your Ethereum to a private wallet for added security, as exchanges can be vulnerable to hacks. Before investing, be aware of the volatility in the cryptocurrency market. Only invest what you can afford to lose and consider diversifying your portfolio. Ethereum offers a world of possibilities and is at the forefront of the digital revolution. By investing in Ethereum, you're not just buying a cryptocurrency, You're becoming part of a movement towards a more open and decentralized world. Thank you for watching Financial Freedom TV. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial insights. Also, follow us on Instagram at Financial Freedom TV for daily updates and tips. Until next time, here's to your financial freedom.